and I haven't yet put the glue. It looks so natural. Hi guys, welcome back to Oman Oman. It's me again, and today I'm going to be doing something different. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig that I got from the hair caterers. So I got this package yesterday. I ordered it I think today is Sunday. I ordered it on Tuesday and it arrived yesterday, Saturday. So it was quite fast because it came down from Lagos. So just going to open the package now. Okay, just getting it out the pack. This is the box that it comes in. Perfect Hairline is the name of the company. Lace when I ordered the 13 by 6 inches, and it's apparently a fully hand-tied lace wig. I hope the lace sits well on my scalp because I have a very light scalp. So it comes in the black. It also comes in this honey blonde, which is what I ordered. Actually honey brown. You can use heat up to 400° Fahrenheit, and it's heat resistant fiber. This is not human hair, guys. So this is a blend. This is the first time I'm getting a wavy wig. Okay, so this is the hair once you take it out of the pack and it has all those gadgets. So far it's looking nice and it's bouncy. This is a 24-inch. The hair is called Julianne. So Julianne 24-inch when you want to place an order. It's actually a frontal 13 by 6 inches. So 13 from ear to ear and 6 inches from the forehead to the middle of the scalp. Alright guys, so this is the hair brushed out, a little brushed out because I didn't want all the curls to go down. And I noticed that the hairline has been pre-plucked, which is good for me because I don't know how to pluck hairline from lace. I prefer my wigs to come pre-plucked. It has some baby hair. I'm just going to put it on for you guys to see now. It also has a hairband that is adjustable for the size of your big head, and it has these tiny straps at the back as well. You want to adjust the circumference of the wig. So I'm just going to put it on now. I just put on the wig. So far it's looking nice already. It actually has a natural hair texture. As long as you adjust your straps at the back, then it can be glueless. So just put it on and go, put it on and go. And I like that the part hasn't been made yet, so I can make any part that I would like to put in. But I like it so far. So I'm just going to make a part now. Okay. And the fun thing about this hair is you can do a lot of styles. You can do a pin-up style if you want. You can just leave it down like me because this is what I like to do. Wow. 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 I'm loving this. I'm loving this. And by the way, this is not the paid advert. Okay, I'm just doing this review because I was like, it would be such a waste if I just take it out the box and I don't do a review. So it's been long since I did a wig install. I think this is my second wig video ever on my YouTube channel. So the first one I did was an install. It was actually a frontal that I made myself, and then this one I ordered it. So this is my second wig video. I think I'm going to be doing more wig videos. Like I said, right now I'm not in a position to cut out the lace yet, and I want to make sure I pay attention to it. So that's why I haven't done that yet, but I will add it to the bit of this video. Does the hair shed? It doesn't really shed as much because I haven't seen any hair so far, but I'm sure it will eventually. If you're a big hair person, definitely advise you to go for this wig if you're a dancer. Anybody's always on great job. See you guys in the second part of the video. Bye. The lenses that they sell for $3.5 outside, I think you should avoid those ones because they're not like medicated, and thickness now, you don't know how the quality is, you understand? Quality might not be so good. So for example, there's this lady that was getting all those cheap lenses, putting them in her eyes. She would put one on today and like two on today, and then by the end of the evening or the following morning, she won't find them, like to take them out of her eye. So she just think, okay, maybe it fell off, like now I was doing something. That's how this woman continued. Thank God they brought light. So I prefer not to use the combs because I don't know, they just disturb my edges, and already I'm trying to grow my edges, so I don't want any issues. Just have to get up so I can use my mirror. I'm standing in front of my standing mirror, so in case I'm bending a lot, it's just because I want to get this right. So I'm not a pro. Don't look at me like I'm a pro. I think where I put the hairline is okay. It's not too far. And see where my hairline is. My hairline is far. See my hairline. Let's cut. I watched one hair review of this particular hair, and they said that their lace is very soft, so you need to be careful. So that's why I'm being extra careful. So eventually I'm using this scissor. So now let me cut out this part. I'm moving in a zigzag direction, if you can see. Once I've gotten to the part of my ear, I'm just going to follow the shape of my ear. So this is what I'm going to do. I've gotten here now. I'm just going to, and this is where my ear starts. I'm going. I could have done this with the glue actually, but like, I don't do this, so use glue. Okay, so that's done. I'm just going to do the other part. So just being gentle really helps. On that, now I'm going to go towards my ear. With heat. I prefer like really cold weather to hot weather. So now I'm cutting the excess parts of my ear. I really didn't want to cut off much from this leaf. Okay. So far it's looking okay.
I'm just gonna brush the hair. So eventually, they had to take out those contact lenses from the lady's back of her eyes, and many of them already had like spirogyra on them. It was really like bad. They've been sitting there for years, like. The one has been using contact lenses for years. So what I'm saying is that I'm not saying you should not use contact lenses. I'm just saying you should use like good quality contact lenses, good quality ones, right? And also make sure you clean them before you put them on by getting 2,500 contacts. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying you shouldn't get contacts, okay? So that is basically my story time for today. Like, I'm loving this hair so much. One day it's big. At first I thought it wasn't that big, maybe I can wear it to work, but obviously I cannot wear this to work. It's already giving scalp before I even put on anything, foundation, or even glue it down. So loving this. The baby hairs are there, so let me just show you. So there's this one, so there's this, which I can put down. So pretty. Yeah.
Of course, when you use it, I think you should use a bit more hair wax to keep some of the flyaways from your face. So if you just do this, right? I am Beyonce. I'm gonna show my mom. You can also decide to style it this way. I just did a middle part. So lovely, so natural. I love it. So guys, thank you for watching my very interesting wig install. I'm not a hair professional and like your faves. I'm a doctor just that likes to do fashion. You know, I like to express myself through my hair. So if you like this video, just give it a like, click on the like button, share this video, and please subscribe to my channel and let your friends subscribe to my channel as well. I got this hair from Hair Caterers on IG. And this unit, Julianne 24 inches in this color, honey brown. There is the black if you don't like this color but you like big hair, so you can get that. And I got it for 45,000 naira. So I think it's still looking at the the quality of the hair, the curls, and the fact that it is a frontal 13 by 6 inches frontal. I think it's a really good steal, so you should go for it. You should go for it. You can wear this glueless like you see that I've done now. So you see, you can wear it glueless. This is how it looks at the back. And it's when you talk, if you like to flip your hair, you see it moves. Thank you guys. It's Oman again. See ya in my next video. Bye. Just click on the like button. Click on the like button.